All right, guys, welcome back to the Blue Ocean Kitchen here. Chef Anthony again. Going to talk to you about a little NOLA BBQ shrimp. So we might think here in North Carolina, barbecue's throwing a pig on a grill and we're just going to slow smoke that guy all day long. Here, we're actually going to take some of these beautiful, local, head-on green-tail shrimp, leaving all the heads on just like they are, okay? These are some really pretty ones right here. And we're going to throw these in the pan. We're going to start with about 5. I think 5 is a good number for a little snack. So you can do this as an appetizer, you can do this as an entree. This is kind of a crowd pleaser, but you leave all the heads on, all the shells on, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go straight to the pan. It's a dry pan. We'll work it around for a little bit. We're gonna add our first knob of butter. This won't take very long. A little lemon juice. Little bay leaf. Wouldn't be Creole without cayenne pepper. Little paprika. A little NOLA Fish Rub right here. A little parsley. A copious amount of garlic. A little salt. A little black pepper, and then here comes the jam. Turn the heat up. Turn the shrimp around in that. We've charred a couple of lemons, kind of makes them nice and sweet. I'm just going to drop that right down in there. Some scallions. A little parsley, a little oregano. Coat the shrimp. Cook it down a little bit more. A little splash of lemon. And the last knob of butter. All right, traditional New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. All right, so now we're gonna plate it. We're just gonna use our little bowl right here. And what really gives this dish all the flavor is the Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. Don't skimp on it, and don't use the imposter. So that is our barbecue shrimp right there. We're gonna go ahead and just do some nice big croustines. We did it earlier today. Go ahead and mop all that up.